Okay, foosball table update. This is the butcher block. So I wanted to do one update when it's still showing. This is the original. And notice the 45 here on the corner. So this is the last side I have to do. All the other three are complete now. And you can see what I'm trying to do is different lengths, staggering them, different lump, different wood. These are thin because I need to put in the rod sliders or bushings or whatever you want to call them. And I want to use the originals, so I couldn't go too thick, but this is working out fine. It's not as light over here, but I think you'll be able to see the effect. So it kind of ramps up to where the hole is and then ramps back down. And on the ends, I could use thicker stuff. So we have a thick one, a thin one, a thick one, thick one, thin, thick. So a little variety, and a variety in the hardwoods. We have oak. I think there's some maple, some birch in there. We got some black walnut on the corner. So what I did was I made 4 black walnut pieces to go over the corners. So they had that 45 on. I think that looks really cool. I thought about coming out straight, you know, on each side, but then I said, no, that's a design aspect I want to keep. And you can see the different woods down here. We got some cucumber. It's got a little green in it. We got some popple, and cherry, some red oak. Good variety. Oh, some really darker cucumber, which is it's still a hardwood. It loses its leaves in the winter, but it's a softer. It's not as hard as like a hickory or anything like that. I don't know if I have any hickory in here. Oh, I might on the legs. I can't remember. You'd have to look back at the videos. But I really like the design. I think it's really coming together. I like how I did those supports. That was a nice afterthought I did not think of. I feel like it adds a lot to the table. It adds so much to the table. I'm thinking about doing one of the tornadoes and adding that in as I do it. This will be a semi-tornado when I'm done because it will have tornado warning. Oops. Walking over our pipes here. Got to watch out. The pile has gone down a lot, but I still have many more to cut. Okay, so it's looking really good. I'm going to move the top over to the other side so I can access this better. And then I'm going to work my way down through a little bit more before I switch tasks. I'm probably not going to finish this up today, although maybe I should, because then I could use that top to put a lot of stuff on while I'm moving stuff around. So I don't know. I'm going to take a break right now, add some wood to each of the fires, the wood stoves, and then we'll come back at this. I should have enough wood to do it. I cut a bunch of thin ones, different varieties, different lengths. So I should have enough to work right down this side and complete it. I still have 2 more I'm going to have to drill out the bigger hole for because of the nuts. That one, and then over here, but they take a little bit more time, but they've been working out pretty good. I've had to, once I drill the big hole, I've had to I kind of move the bit back and forth to hone it out some, and then I take the utility knife, and on the inside I kind of gouge it out a little bit because there's a washer underneath here. And that washer wants to hold this piece of wood out. So I kind of gouge it out on the other side of this so that it fits tighter. I want it to fit pretty snug. Okay. It's looking really good. And then once we get this room, the floor done, then we can take this whole top off. And then we can work on the inside. So that's going to be exciting, but it's not going to happen now. Need to get the rest of this floor complete. Okay, foosball table update. That's where we're at. Almost done with the outside.